Hello and welcome to Master Online Tools. Today we will be reviewing how to upload plugins into WordPress. So although WordPress comes with a bunch of different plugins within the plugin directory that you are able to view here on the left-hand side and add new, there will be times when there will be plugins that are not in the directory that you need to upload onto your site. So an example of this would be maybe you need to integrate WordPress with your PayPal account. You want to collect payments with PayPal and say there isn't a plugin for it. So you're going to search for a PayPal plugin for WordPress. So here we have download. Then we're going to go back into WordPress, scroll down on our tabs and select plugins and add new. This is the WordPress directory or the plugin directory within WordPress where you are able to install plugins that already exist on the platform. So PayPal is not in here, so we need to select upload on the top, select choose file, downloads, select the file we would like, and then we're going to hit install now. It may take a few moments to WordPress to upload and install the plugin. So plugin was installed successfully. Now we have the option to activate. So you can have many plugins installed on WordPress, but they aren't going to be doing anything or working until you actually activate. So let's go ahead and activate the plugin. And we can now see that WP Play PayPal is available on our site, and we can set it up and get payments working on the site very quickly. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.